Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add emojis to your iPhones if you guys don't have that on your keyboards already. It's actually very easy to do. All you have to do is go to your settings on your iPhone, and then you want to scroll down until you see General. Click on General, and then if you scroll down under Date and Time, you'll see Keyboard. Just click on Keyboard, and then at the very top, you just want to click on Keyboards. And then you'll see that I already have the emoji keyboard already, but if you don't already have it, you just click on Add New Keyboard and just scroll down to the E section here, and then you'll see the emoji keyboard right here that you can just click on, and then once you click on it, it will then add that keyboard to your other keyboards, and then you can go ahead and use it when you're in iMessage or any other applications. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to add the emoji keyboard and emojis to your iPhone. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.